Assalamualaikum. In the last video you see we are in Magnified Science Center. So this is part 2. We did so many activities and then we were so hungry and we want to eat something. There is a cafe in Magnified Science named Foodology. Wow, what a beautiful decoration. See, so many kitchen utensils. After lunch, we enter in Water World. This is water gear. When water comes on it, it moves. See. After that, there is a dam. We block the water here and then we pick out one brick. The water comes very fast. After that, this is water. In this, there is so much air pressure. When we put ball in it, see. Okay, there are so many things. This is water gun. When I throw water on fan, it moves. See. Wow, there is a boat. Can you see me? I am on the boat. There is a fishing rod. I pick a fish. Wow. Now there is a big pinball. Wow! Can you see? When I put ball in it, it moves upward because of the air pressure. Awesome! We are having so much fun here. And we learned so many things. I like this place. Now this is wind tunnel test tube. When we stop air pressure, the basket comes down. Now this is truck. There is something written on it. मेहनत कर, हसद ना कर. आजो 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 मिनाहिल, आई एम गोइंग, बैठो बैठो। I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going. After that, there is a rickshaw. I'm a rickshaw driver. आजो मिनाइल, कहाँ जाना है? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, चलें जल्दी। This is a really interesting game. After that, this is gravity run. When I put wheel on the top of it, it moves. You know why? Because of gravity. This is sail car, and these are also amazing. See, it moves. Now we are in toy shop. There are so many Lego blocks and all amazing things. Now we are on a bridge. Under bridge there is water, animal and plants. Now we are going to my favorite place in Magnify Science Center. If you haven't subscribed our channel, so please subscribe our channel. Hurry up. See, we are an engineer now. So cute, Minahil. Mashallah. I want to make a building with block. How can I take so many blocks? Yes, there is a big crane. I put blocks in crane. Crane moves upside on one floor. Then I make a building. Minahil is going upside because she needs to take some blocks. See, she is taking some blocks. See, I'm taking bricks from the crane. This is magnetic blocks and Minahil play with magnetic blocks. Here we play with blocks and make buildings. Now we want to explore more things in Magnify Science Center. Okay, hurry up Minahil, hurry up. Let's move.
Wow, awesome thing. Walking piano. Yeah, what are you doing? Oh my god, what is this? This is hat and it's bees. Wow!
Now this is Mirror Maze. This is so funny. We lost. I don't know where is the way to go exit. We enjoyed a lot. finally, I'm outside.
This is sense of taste.
Sweet, salty, sour, bitter. This is sense of taste and Minahil is enjoying there. Minahil learned sense of taste. This is our intestine. Okay, this is hard puzzle, but we can't make it because we don't have any idea how to make it. You notice there is a sanitizer on each table for us to sanitize our hand. This is a very good thing. I am impressed. You know what is this? Minahil said this is bhoot. But this is human skull. This is not ant. अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा पिक्चर बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. So wait for the part 3. Till then, enjoy part 2. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.